Hello everyone, today I will review the TOMSHOO Double Sleeping Bag 2-person. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this bag. 1. High quality material, 190 tons polyester shell and brushed fabric lining, it's no harm to your skin, no smell. 2. Rugged zipper, the zipper is rugged and a high quality sewing without excess thread. 3. Big size, it can be used as two separate single sleeping bags or a big double sleeping bag. 4. Portable and lightweight, fits snug into the carrying bag for quick and convenient portability. 5. Warm and comfortable, withstands weather of up to 23 Fahrenheit and -5 Celsius. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.